We're just gonna wing it. We're just gonna wing it. Well, or maybe I'm just gonna wing it. Get out from behind there. Come on. Come on.
The comments were nice last time.
Were they?
They were like, we did come here for Packout Princess, but we like JakeOfALL a little bit.
Okay, just a little bit.
Do you like... I got my only fan up there.
I see. They can't see it right now.
Oh, they can't see. I got a fan.
They might be able to hear.
Hey, we got a sponsor for an air conditioner.
Woohoo!
Ooh, Packout Princess is going to be in more videos. And
I'm already in all the videos.
Apparently, they say sometimes it is cold.
Yeah, sometimes it can be. All right, so we got to keep this short and simple.
Short and simple. Okay, STACKSMARTER. You guys see it? Mm-hmm. You like it? We're going to show you closer,
yep.
right?
Yeah.
So, what do we want to do? Do we want to just turn it and bring it to the edge? Do we want to bring the camera?
We can just turn it.
Okay.
I think that'll be easier. I'll move closer this way. There.
Boom.
See, they can see it.
So should I be on that side?
No.
I'm just gonna hide.
In between.
I'm just gonna hide over here.
No, yeah. Yeah. Or here, you can switch with me. There we go. That's
I don't
better.
think that's.
That's fine.
That's not what people want to see.
It's fine. It's fine.
Okay. All right, we're back. All right, that was really funny. I love it. You guys might have saw in the quick tip, we installed one set of the rails. I've installed the rest. If you guys head over to the links, you'll see he's got these like black anodized now. I think he's finalizing a pre-order on that. But if you notice, these are the locking ones from Milwaukee. And they will, if I can, look at that. It turns and it locks in. The roto racks that we call it, it clips in, doesn't lock per se. So pretty much anybody that sells an accessory that's fairly compatible with Milwaukee will clip right onto it. As far as this goes, if you look on the side of it, can they see the side?
Yeah, we can see it.
We have, boom, a side mount,
It's
which
like for the smaller one.
yeah, or like
you
our
can do that.
accessories.
Yeah.
I'm assuming that Milwaukee accessories will hang from it as well.
Yeah.
You can also hang a half pack out. Speaking of that, there are other brackets that fit on this guy, the medium, which he's got a provision for the handle, so that's awesome.
Oh, okay.
Okay, as it is equipped in this video, which I will do a little bit of changes, I have a cord reel installed. Mm-hmm. Okay, I have for fish tapes, but this is great. And yes, I know I haven't opened this. I honestly was upset that I bought it without that, and I keep debating about returning it. But this is perfect because this doesn't fit in any one of my boxes.
Well, that does.
Okay, so you can do a broom, you can do a pipe bender. I'm going to take that off, and I'm going to show you real time. I'm going to install a level.
Okay.
Right? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to come over here. And this is how quick accessories are with this system.
Super fast.
He's got it, right? So the screwdriver goes right through. No, I did that completely wrong. You were right. Packout Princess was right.
No, that's a first.
Okay. Now, I need something. Can you?
No, yeah, I'll get it.
Can you get the level?
It's behind this weird thing over here. That doesn't belong in the garage. It's the wrong color. It's crooked.
Well, I don't have all the screws on it because I didn't, whatever. Mm-hmm. So we've got the level brackets, and I do want to show you real quick because we're doing a quick video, right? But this is the joy of this system. Not how easy it is to install accessories on and off the brackets that are already on, but can you hold that? Watch this. Watch this. T-nut, remember? Loosen this up enough till it comes out. Can they see me?
Yeah.
Let's just install it on this side. And because this is all T-track, I could just grab another bracket from StackSmarter's website, stacksmarter.com/amazing products, and mount it right on here. I don't have to take any of these back out.
That's pretty simple.
Okay, and all you have to do is end up with a bag of Milwaukee trash like this when you're done.
You could save it in case you...
Or you could aluminum recycle it, or like me, you put it up in the attic and it sits there till the end of time.
Okay.
That's it.
Well, we have 2 things left.
We have 2 things left.
So we gotta announce the winners for the levels.
Okay. Why don't you come over here? Let's move a little.
I'm gonna grab that at least then. Can I put
Hold on, I'm thirsty.
You got your cup. Okay. So the one of the winners, I don't know, whichever one went first, of the big guy was Mike Some Cyan? Yeah, sure, whatever. Hey, they both are Michaels. That's funny. Well, that one's a Mike. This one's a Michael.
Normally you like J names.
Yeah. Michael Salas? How do you say that?
Salassi?
Sure, why not? He went the smaller one. So, we will I can't reach on the other side. I'm too short. We will comment on your comment.
Well, but we always wait a week because we want you guys to watch the videos to find out, and then they do what to win.
They have to email us at winners@JakeOfALL.com.
And it goes into her inbox, and we ship you your stuff. If you don't, we give it away to somebody else.
Yeah, snooze you lose, because that's the rules around here.
But I hope all that makes sense, right?
Yes.
And where are they going to get more information on it?
Down below.
In the description.
And
while they're looking at all that stuff on YouTube, they should click what?
Like, subscribe, share.
Yes.
All that fun stuff.
But we want them to comment on this video. Why?
We do.
Hold on. Catch.
Because we're giving
Wait, no, I'll catch it. I'll throw it to myself.
Okay. Yes, this is what we're giving.
Here, throw it to me now.
Oh.
Catch.
That's what we're giving.
Blackout cooler. You guys said you didn't care.
Yeah. It's got some gentle love. Okay.
I have 3 of these.
It's had a lot of Packout Princess drinks in it. Okay.
And she also bought me the big one, and so I originally had 3 because we always fill 2 of these, and 2 of these is still smaller than the big one. And then we want a little one, so we're gonna have 2 small ones and 1 big one. So
yes, but in order for to win this, they have to do what? They have to do what?
I don't know. I forgot already.
They have to comment what's different on the wall behind us.
The color issue in the garage.
Right.
Okay.
But not just.
Oh, not just any kind.
Not just what brand it is, but how many.
Can they see all the
How
pieces?
many pieces?
Are we making it too obvious by staring at it?
I mean, no. I'm not staring at whatever's over there.
Brand and quantity of pieces that are major.
Yes, and we'll enter you into a giveaway, and we'll pick the winner.
And someone's going to win a $109
And someone's going to
cooler,
win the cooler. Yep.
which went up to $119. So Packouts appreciate.
That's right. See, there you go. And that's it. That's the Friday video.
Cool.
That was easy.
I'm hungry. Let's go get some chicken.
Oh yes, I'm super hungry. Okay, bye.
Slender, see ya.